Consumer roach bait station products let homeowners target German cockroaches safely around pets when used correctly. Choose a bait active ingredient labeled for German cockroaches and pick pet-safe enclosed stations or pre-filled sticky traps designed to prevent access by dogs and cats. For gel baits, apply small pea-sized beads inside the station's feeding port or in the cartridge following the label, and place the station flush along baseboards, behind appliances, and inside lower kitchen cabinets where roaches travel. Use one station for every 10 to 20 linear feet in kitchens and one for each bathroom. Then inspect weekly and replace according to label directions or after about 2 to 4 weeks when bait is depleted. Combine bait deployment with sanitation by removing food debris, storing dry goods in sealed containers, and running a nightly wipe down of counters to increase bait uptake. Treat harborages with a labeled crack and crevice dust in voids and behind appliances where baits will not reach, but do not mix dust directly with bait. The two tactics work best when used separately. Always wear gloves when handling baits, read the entire product label for safety and placement, and keep unused bait and stations out of reach of children and pets. The most common mistake is relying on bait stations alone without addressing sanitation and harborage, which slows control. Fix this by removing food and moisture sources and vacuuming up egg cases and shed skins before and during baiting. Another issue is poor placement, such as putting stations in the middle of a room or on high shelves where roaches rarely travel. Move stations to the lowest edges of walls, inside cabinets, and behind the refrigerator where tracking is highest. A third concern is premature disposal or infrequent replacement. Follow label timing, check weekly, and swap stations or reapply gel when activity drops, or the bait is gone to maintain continuous bait availability. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to pest exclusion and home repairs that complement baiting efforts. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we share practical tips, field experiences, and troubleshooting for consumer roach bait station strategies.